1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Hello, everybody. I'm Chris, and we're going to be working on how to possibly even, we're going to work on how to even out your tremolo, your flamenco tremolo, okay? So I've had a couple questions about this, and I thought I would address this and give you an exercise to do this, to accomplish evening it out. Hopefully you know what a flamenco tremolo is. Really quickly, it is 5 strokes: thumb, index, ring, middle, index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you're having trouble evening it out, making it a smooth quintuplet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or hippopotamus, hippopotamus, so that's another one that you could do. If you just want to say hippopotamus over and over, that's awesome, okay? That would be, so actually I'm going to give you a bonus exercise right now. So make it so that you go 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then build up that tempo to where you can go, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, let's see, this metronome tops out at 208. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So eventually, all of a sudden, that metronome is going to get too fast, and it's going to start driving you crazy, right? So then we're going to start doing something like what I played at the outset of this video. Okay, so let's get to this exercise. It is doing 8th notes and then going through the quintuplets. Okay, now this exercise has uneven odd measures or odd meter measures. It has a 5, 5, 4, and then 2, 4. Okay, so we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, so we go 1 pass of the tremolo starting on the 4th string. And then 1 pass of the tremolo with your thumb starting on the 3rd string. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. Or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and. So that's 5 beats. Okay. Then what we're going to do is do a set of 4. Actually, it's 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our thumb is constantly going between the 4th and the 3rd string. You do 1 pass each, very slow, and then you do 4, 3, 4, 3. And then you start over. Okay? So it's 1 measure of 5, 4, 1 measure of 4, 4. Okay? 1 measure of 5, 4, all 8th notes, and then 1 measure of 4, 4 with that quintuplet. Okay? So I have this set at 108. Okay? And I'll go 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1, 3, 4. So what you're looking for is just real even 8th notes for that 5, 4, and then that real even quintuplet. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus, but that gets hippopotamus, that's hard to say that fast. So hopefully that will even it out, and you'll be able to hear if it's got I call it a flat tire. It's like, ooh, yeah, you don't want to have that, okay? So hopefully this helps. I am going to have a tab for available for my Patreon subscribers, so you can consider doing that, but hopefully you understand it. You just go tapado. But if you want to join Patreon, I'm not saying don't join Patreon, because there's awesome stuff happening there, okay? So that link will be in the description and stuff. But next, just really quickly, one of the reasons that I have this exercise specifically on these top strings is because if you practice your tremolo with your thumb down here on the 6th string all the time and you don't go towards these top strings, then you could be missing something in your technique that could be critical to accomplishing when you have your thumb down here. And that is avoiding this oncoming collision, okay? So if I can have my thumb here and my fingers doing the tremolo, and that's fine. However, as soon as I start closing them, see how my thumb goes towards my fingers? And that causes problems. I can't do that. I can't do my tremolo and have my thumb and my fingers going without tilting my wrist. So you want to make sure to have that ability, have that capacity to be able to play that way. And so I just highly recommend that you do some of your tremolo exercises with your thumb out like this, so that way you can avoid those oncoming collisions when you have the melody like a D major, you know, and I'm hitting that 2nd string, okay? You want to be able to do that, okay? All right. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Email is my preferred way. That's the easiest way for me to keep track of everything. So I'll leave that information below. Let me know if you have any questions at all. And I hope you enjoyed the work. I hope you enjoy this exercise. And much success to you and your guitar playing. Thanks so much. Get to practicing. Bye-bye.